thunderstorms. The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Garland County in central Arkansas, southeastern Montgomery County in western Arkansas, until 5:15 p.m. At 4:31 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Norman, or near Mount Ida, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and $half-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Mount Ida, Norman, Myers, Mimosa, Avant, Black Springs, Crystal Springs Landing, Sunshine, Royal, Silver, Hempwallace, Perky, Crystal Springs, Hurricane Grove, Caddo Gap. Impact, people and The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Garland County and central Arkansas, southwestern Saline County and central Arkansas, northern Hot Spring County in southwestern Arkansas, until 6 p.m. At 5:12 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Mountain Pine, or 11 miles west of Hot Springs, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, $half-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Hot Springs Village, Mountain Pine, Lansdale, Hot Springs Memorial Field, Lake Washita State Park, Hot Springs National Park, Rockwell, Oaklawn Racetrack, Sunshine, Mountain Valley, Royal, Gulfi Gorge, Owensville. Wind was south at 6 miles an hour. The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for east central Garland County and central Arkansas, central Saline County and central Arkansas, northeastern Hot Spring County in southwestern Arkansas, central Pulaski County and central Arkansas, until 6:30 p.m. At 5:45 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Lonsdale, or 8 miles southeast of Hot Springs Village, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hail measured at 2.00 inches was observed in Hot Springs. Hazard, tennis ball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Little Rock, North Little Rock, Benton, West Little Rock, Maumelle, Bryant, Hot Springs Village, downtown Little Rock, southwest Little Rock, Haskell, Shannon Hills, Wrightsville, Argenta, Lansdale, Otter Creek, Ironton, East End, Geyer Springs, Mableville, Salem in Saline County. Afternoon. Saturday night. The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Lone Oak County in central Arkansas, northeastern Grant County in central Arkansas, northwestern Jefferson County in southeastern Arkansas, southeastern Saline County in central Arkansas, southeastern Pulaski County in central Arkansas, until 7:30 p.m. At 6:38 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Shannon Hills, or near Bryant, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Little Rock, North Little Rock, Benton, Bryant, Southwest Little Rock, Shannon Hills, England, Wrightsville, Keogh, Ironton, Estes, Toltec Mount State Park, East End, Sweet Home, Geyer Springs, Mablevale, Scott, Orion, Otter Creek, Salem in Saline County. Latest weather conditions at 6 p.m. at Little Rock, skies. The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Lone Oak County in central Arkansas, southeastern Pulaski County in central Arkansas, until 8 p.m. At 7:16 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Estes, or 13 miles southeast of downtown Little Rock, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include England, Wrightsville, Keogh, Estes, Toltec Mount State Park, Coy, Toltec, Pettis, Blakemore. The National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Franklin County in south central Illinois until 1:30 a.m. At 12:58 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Duquoin, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include West Frankfort, Benton, Christopher, Grand Lake area, Cesar, Ziegler, Royalton, Valier, West City, North City, Buckner, Orient, Hannaford, and Ewing. This includes Interstate 57 in Illinois between mile marker 66 and 80. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:30 a.m. for the following county: Franklin, Illinois. Tonight, cloudy. The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for south central Jefferson County in south central Indiana, northeastern Clark County in south central Indiana, southeastern Scott County in south central Indiana, northeastern Oldham County in central Kentucky, western Trimble County in central Kentucky, until 5:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 4:53 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles southeast of Scottsburg, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Bedford, Lexington, Saluda, Bethlehem, Oldham, Otto, Trout, Marysville, Paynesville, and Neb. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.